Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get the Dodge Challenger in Midnight Racing Tokyo using an easy method. First, we'll cover understanding the game's car acquisition system. Then, we'll pinpoint the best races to earn cash quickly. Finally, I'll guide you through preparing your current car to dominate those events, making your Challenger dream a reality in no time. To maximize your earnings, focus on circuit races that offer significant cash bonuses upon completion. Also, keep an eye out for repeatable sprint events. These often provide quick payouts and can be completed rapidly. Prioritizing shorter races allows for more runs in less time, which is key to building up your funds efficiently for that Challenger.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting the mood while you're gaming or just chilling. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Before hitting those high-paying races, invest in upgrading your current car's engine and tires for better speed and grip. During races, deploy your nitrous boost strategically on long straightaways to gain a crucial advantage. Most importantly, practice and master the optimal race lines on each track. This ensures you consistently finish first and earn maximum rewards. Once you have accumulated sufficient in-game currency, typically around $150,000, it's time to make your purchase. Head to the main dealership menu within the game. Browse through the available cars, locate the iconic Dodge Challenger, and then simply confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you now own your dream car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.